Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make your own headline templates as I promised in my email last time. So, yep, congratulations by the way for unlocking this training because this training is actually exclusive for my paid students and I don't really share this to just anyone. Okay? So I hope that you value this training because you could actually get a lot of value from here from this thing alone, and it could help you write attention grabbing headlines or email subject lines. Okay, actually this is a very basic technique, but it's actually very effective if you're starting to practice your copywriting skills. And even if you're experienced and uh, writer block hits you, you can actually do this. Okay? So, yeah, without further ado, let's start this short training. I think this will only take 10 to 15 minutes. But yeah, okay, so first you have to prepare your own, a separate Google Sheet or Excel file, whatever you prefer, or even even Microsoft Word or something. But honestly, for me, I prefer a Google Sheet so that I can um, put different columns. So in your first column, of course, the number, so it's easier to refer to in the future. And then the second column, there would be the headline template, the formula that you're going to generate, and then an example so that it's easier to understand whenever you forgot what you wrote here. But yeah, basically, an example would make it easier to understand. Okay, so um, here, alltop.com, this is my go-to site whenever I want to refer to effective headlines, because basically these headlines have are already proven. They've already generated a lot of traffic in their uh, articles, and basically um, you can actually model them so that your article or your Facebook post or Facebook ad would be read by your prospects. Okay? So, for example, an example would be build your perfect website, etc., etc. So, when I click this one, this is actually this one. So, build your perfect website with 10% off Squarespace subscriptions. So, you can actually model that or copy and paste that here and then build your headline template from there. So, I would do build your your and then the perfect website would be the output desired output um with discount with percent discount, sorry, you can see that one, um with per with percent discount off uh Squarespace company or product brand subscriptions. Okay, so basically this is something that would that you could use if you're offering discount for your subscription products, brand or something of product. I just say product. Okay, so what you can actually do here is to make um sorry, is this small for you? Let's zoom it in. Sorry. So you can actually make or create variations of this headline template based on your uh liking or based on what you need. So build your desired output in, for example, instead of offering a discount, I would say build your desired output in duration or less. Sorry, in duration or less. So an example would be build your perfect or own, let's just say own website, sorry, in um 8 hours. This is just an example. I'm not sure if this is possible, so pardon me with that. But in 8 hours or less, or in under 8 hours, basically whatever you prefer. But at least you already have this guide or template that you could follow whenever you post something or whenever you publish your ad, your email, etc. So this would get your prospects' attention for sure because they want this. They want the desired output in 8 hours or less. So I don't have to bold or something. Now, you can actually write another variation of this by, for example, by adding the without, or you can actually, you don't have to capitalize the without, but yeah, I think it would be more powerful if you capitalize or emphasize the without, and then build your desired output in duration. Sorry, I'm just going to copy and paste this one so the bold would be copied also. Without thing they hate, or they can do. Okay, most of the time the thing they hate is something that they can do, or most of the time the things that they can do they also hate. So either or. Now, less or less without the thing they hate. So what you can do is build your own website in in 8 hours or less without writing a single line of code. Okay? So as you can see, with just one headline that I got from alltop.com, I was able to generate at least three variations of that headline template. Okay? So whenever I go back to this database of my headlines and or email subject lines, I would get um, ideas, several ideas for my next newsletter, for example, or for my next Facebook post. Okay, so let's try another one. Um, okay, so this online bootcamp teaches you how to succeed uh, at social media. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one here, and then I'm going to write a headline template out of this example or out of this headline. So this online bootcamp, or this, most probably this would be your offer or product, does, or let's just say does, okay, does uh, you um, how to succeed. Sorry, I'm not really I'm not really familiar with if do verb is a term, but or sorry, or just verb. I'm just going to put verb. You how to succeed at desired outcome or output or at thing they want. I just can do that. Okay, so thing they want, verb, and offer, or this thing. Okay, so yeah, so this offer, the online bootcamp teaches you how to succeed at social media. Actually, what you can actually write is this program shows you how to succeed at copywriting. Okay, so you don't really have to name the offer. You just have to be you can be vague about it so that there's a reason for them to read the whole article, post, or email. Okay, I don't have to say Top Dog Copywriter program shows you how to succeed at copywriting. Okay, basically I told them everything, almost everything, by spilling the beans at first at the headline. What I can do is this program teaches you how to succeed at copywriting. Or in this program, you'll learn how to succeed at copywriting. And then I will explain uh, the things or the lessons taught inside this particular program. And at the end, at some point, somewhere in the middle or at the end of the article, I would tell them that the program is called the Top Dog Copywriter Program, which actually helped a lot of students, etc., etc. Okay, so let's do another one. Um, okay, so for example, here, this is a news. Okay, I don't think I have an internet. Okay, internet's lost, but yeah. I guess next time. Actually, it's raining hard right now, and PLDT announced that there's an emergency, something, etc., network emergency. And I think most providers or all of them will be affected because there's only one line under the ocean that actually provides internet for the whole Philippines. Okay, okay, we're back. We're back. So, for example, this one, Among Us, is so popular that its developers just canceled the sequel. So basically, this is uh, a social proof, and then you can actually use this to your advantage by um, popular thing by doing this. Okay, popular thing is so popular that its developers, that its creators just canceled the uh something. you can actually ride the news or the latest happenings, so you can create posts about that. So for example, Facebook or TikTok is so popular that it's or just verb, for example, verb. So TikTok is so popular that Microsoft, that group of people, sorry, okay, so that group of people, you can't really make your headline templates perfect. As in, right off the bat, you can just fill them up. You can act. You should actually tweak them so that the grammar is correct. It makes sense. But this is just a guide so that you would know what to write on your next post or next email. Okay, so popular thing is so popular that group of people just verb something. So Among Us is so popular that its developers just canceled the sequel. So another example would be TikTok is so popular that Microsoft decided or just decided to buy it. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it, but I read somewhere that Microsoft buys TikTok. Or was that Oracle? Okay, so Microsoft confirms stocks to buy TikTok in US, etc., etc. So I think Oracle got the deal. Not actually buying. Okay, I'm not sure about this news, but yeah, you can actually ride the news so that people would easily relate um to what you write. So for example, you're talking about TikTok, and then in the middle of your article or your Facebook post, you talk about or you transition to um what do you call this? You transition to startups being acquired by larger companies. So if you have a startup idea, don't be afraid uh to start and to let people about know about your idea, or sorry, not let people, or you don't have to be afraid to start a company from scratch, because who knows, you might be the next TikTok. Okay, you just rode what's popular, you just took advantage of what's popular right now for you to catch your readers' attention and read more of your content. That's not actually clickbait, but basically you're using that to make a point. Okay, so okay, that's I think that's it. I I I think you already understand the gist of this training, this short training. But yeah, you can actually generate hundreds of templates if you do this every single day. Why? Because at alltop.com, this will be, or these are updated every single day because these are the latest news. For example, this one, this was published September 23, 2020. Okay? So if you do this every day, you have at least one new headline per day. And you can actually get, I'm not sure if this will be 100, but yeah, more or less 100 headlines per day. You can actually go deeper per category. So for example, tech, cryptocurrency, Apple, Android, e-commerce. Okay, you can actually go here. My net is still slow, but yeah, you get the point. Okay, so here are the most popular e-commerce sites with articles or headlines that you can use for your templates if you don't want the uh, what the homepage gives you. So for example, here, email marketing basics, 7 fundamentals for new online business marketers and owners. You can actually use that. How to code your own announcement bar, etc., etc. My wife quit her job. This is actually a site, but this is actually also a good headline. Okay, so well, you get my point. Okay, so use this, use um this technique to generate your own headline templates, and do this every single day, and you basically get um hundreds of headlines. Imagine just do three per day. Just do three per day. In a month, you get 90 headline templates. So yeah, that's it. Good day and good luck with your headline template creation. Bye.